Hey guys, and welcome back to Stencil Me Pretty. Today is all about nursery looks, and I'm going to be showing you 6 different looks that I created using our stencils. We have a whole section dedicated to nursery themed stencils on our website, and I just hand-picked a couple to create some looks, so let's get right into that. To start off, we're using our Nursery Wall Cloud stencil on a light blue base, and then I just went in and hand painted a little hot air balloon, and this look just came out so dreamy. Next up, we have our Falling Stars Nursery stencil, and I just went in on a gray base and then added some light yellow accents for a little twinkling touch. I had some fun with our ocean animals stencil, and I just went in with some different splotches of color at the bottom, and then I ended up going in with some of the animals that are on the stencil, and I was just using a lot of like neutral toned colors, like keeping it a more calm vibe, and it just came out so fun. I created a bee-themed nursery with our Honeycomb stencil template, just using a combo of a lighter and darker yellow. And after I was done stenciling, I went in with a cute little hand-painted bee, and it was just the perfect little touch. I created the most perfect neutral nursery look using our African Savanna animal stencil and the African Savanna tree stencil. I just did a split half wall look using 2 tonal tan colors and then stenciled the animals right along the edge, and it was so adorable. Lastly, we have our classic night owl stencil, and I just stenciled this in white on a very light sage green wall, and it was just the perfect little corner accent to any nursery. This wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all 6 of these projects, and I hope it inspired you for some of your future DIY projects. If you want to go check out any of our recent projects, you can head over to our Instagram at stencilmepretty. And if you want to go check out some more of our nursery stencils or any other stencils on our website, you can head over to stencilmepretty.com. That concludes everything for today. I hope to see you guys at the next one.